Right now, millions of men over the age of 50 are waking up multiple times a night to use the restroom. They attribute it to normal aging, or perhaps a harmless enlarged prostate. But inside the body, a silent transition can look exactly the same. The truth is, early-stage prostate cancer rarely has its own unique symptoms. It hides perfectly behind the mask of benign conditions. By the end of this video, you will understand the 5 subtle warning signs most men overlook, the controversial truth about the PSA test, and how to protect your longevity without living in fear. If you value evidence-based health insights over medical hype and sensationalism, take a second to subscribe to Dr.PureHealth now. Every week, we break down complex clinical research into clear, actionable data. To understand why this condition is so elusive, we have to look at anatomy. As men pass the age of 50, the prostate naturally undergoes hormonal shifts. This frequently leads to BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia. Essentially, the prostate grows, squeezes the urethra, and disrupts urinary flow. Here is where the clinical confusion begins. Because a malignant tumor often grows in the outer zone of the prostate, it may not press on the urinary tube at all in its early stages. Therefore, a man could have a completely normal urinary stream, while a silent mutation is occurring. Conversely, severe urinary symptoms might just be harmless tissue growth. They are 2 entirely separate conditions that can exist simultaneously. My goal here is not to cause panic, but to show you why assuming a weak stream is always just a sign of getting older can be a dangerous mistake. While early screening is paramount, there are 5 red flag changes that require a professional evaluation by a urologist. And surprisingly, the 3rd warning sign is the one many men dismiss completely. Let's look at them closely. Number 1, a sudden change in urinary velocity. If your stream has become remarkably weak or hesitates to start over the span of a few months, it warrants investigation. Number 2, nocturia that aggressively worsens. Waking up once or twice might be common, but a sudden escalation to 4 or 5 times a night indicates significant pressure on the bladder neck. Number 3, the presence of hematuria or hematospermia. Finding blood in the urine or semen is never normal and should never be ignored, even if it happens only once. This is the one most men put off, hoping it will just go away. Number 4, unexplained deep discomfort or a dull ache in the pelvic floor, lower back, or upper thighs. In advanced cases, metabolic changes can affect adjacent bone tissues. Number 5, new or abrupt onset of erectile difficulties that cannot be explained by vascular issues or stress, as the nerves controlling this function sit directly adjacent to the prostate capsule. We are halfway through, and if this clinical breakdown is bringing you clarity, please hit the like button. Your engagement trains the algorithm to deliver this life-saving information to other men who genuinely need to see it. Now, let's address the most misunderstood tool in modern medicine, the PSA blood test. Many men believe a high PSA score automatically means cancer, but that is scientifically incorrect. A spike in PSA simply means the prostate is irritated. It can be elevated by a minor urinary tract infection, a benign enlargement, or even a recent bicycle ride. Because of this, modern medicine no longer relies on a single number as an absolute verdict. Instead, urologists track what is called PSA velocity, the rate at which your score changes over time. A slow, steady rise over years usually points toward harmless benign growth. However, a sharp, sudden spike within months signals that the tissue requires a closer look, usually via a specialized multiparametric MRI. Here is the most reassuring piece of data. Prostate cancer is one of the most manageable and highly treatable conditions in modern oncology, provided it is detected early. In fact, for many slow-growing variants, the treatment plan is simply active surveillance, monitoring it closely without invasive surgery or radiation. Do not fall into the trap of unverified herbal cures or internet protocols promising to shrink tissues overnight. The gold standard of care involves personalized metrics calculated by your doctor based on your age, family history, and lifestyle. While regular screening is indispensable, clinical data shows that making minor adjustments to your daily routine can profoundly support your cellular health and reduce bothersome symptoms. Here are 4 daily habits every man over 50 should start today. Habit number 1. Implement a strict fluid management routine to tackle nocturia. Stop drinking all liquids entirely 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. This simple behavioral shift prevents sudden bladder distension overnight, reducing the frequency of your nighttime trips to the bathroom.
Habit number 2. Adopt an anti-inflammatory, prostate-centric diet. Eat more cooked tomatoes, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, and nutrient-rich foods that support prostate health. Habit number 3. Eliminate chemical bladder irritants after 4 p.m. Caffeine, alcohol, and highly carbonated or heavily spiced foods act as direct irritants to the bladder lining and the sensitive nerve endings near the prostate capsule. Eliminating these late in the day can rapidly lower instances of sudden urinary urgency. Habit number 4. Strengthen your pelvic floor. Practicing pelvic floor muscle training, commonly known as male Kegel exercises, enhances the muscular support around the bladder neck. This greatly improves urinary stream control and virtually eliminates post-void dribbling. Please remember, these daily habits are designed to support tissue health and improve your quality of life. However, they are supportive measures and should never replace a personalized medical protocol prescribed by a qualified urologist. And remember, when prostate cancer is detected early, many men go on to live long, healthy, and active lives. Prevention is not about living in fear. It is about choosing awareness over guesswork. Talk to your urologist about establishing a baseline screening plan. Subscribe to Dr.PureHealth to keep upgrading your medical knowledge, and click on our next video to explore more science-backed truths about metabolic longevity. Stay informed and stay healthy.